can't explain it. I can't obtain it. Jesus, your love is so, it's so amazing. It lifts me high up to the sky. And when I think about your goodness, it makes me wanna stop.
Come on, man. Hit us with your last one.
Stop.
Ooh, girl, have you heard? Oh my gosh.
Let's talk about it. Now let's get chatty. Let's talk about it.
What we not gonna do is what we not doing in 21 is minding your business, because I have my own to attend to, my own children to feed, right? A whole household that I have to keep up on my own, and what does it profit me to worry about what you have going on when I have something of my own to maintain? Okay. Well, maintain. This is what we're not going to do any longer. We are not going to drop our children off at their grandma's house. Okay. And leave them for days on end.
Grandma better my baby like, you need to come pick up your kids.
Don't forget to come and pick
Your
up
children. What I'm not doing in 2021 is covering your debt. I have my own debt, my own bills to pay. And what we not doing in 2021 that we did in 2020 is spending all our money. I cannot come to your rescue. I will not be having breakfast at your house. Cannot. I'll sleep in my own bed. I'll eat my own what we not doing in 2021? What we not doing in 2021? Somebody turn to your neighbor and say, we can't sleep together no more. We can't sleep together no more. Oh, lock it down, honey, lock it down. Why is it that I heard people say that I've seen people who dated for like years, and then once they get married, like the relationship goes to shambles. Why is it that the relationship worked when you were not married, but then when you get married, things ain't working?
Could be because of expectation change a little bit too.
Or not digging deep enough into that person to realize that they don't have everything that you genuinely like.
So how's it that you can date somebody for 15 years?
Can you keep it on a superficial basis?
That's what I'm saying. The expectation change. It changes. It could possibly change.
Yeah,
that's what it is.
Yeah.
Now that you're my wife, I expect you to clean
and cook. But what we're not gonna do in 2021, we're not cleaning up behind no lazy waisies.
Oh,
we're not buying them clothes or washing their clothes or washing the dishes when they sit there all day or paying their bills like Dolores just said.
We're not supporting you in 2021. Not this year.
And what we're not doing in 2021 is taking care of grown kids.
Okay.
Cheery.
Ooh,
cheery.
Not doing that in 2021.
Doing that.
What kind of campaign is this?
I love it.
I'm just ranting.
What I will not be doing in 2021 is carrying your baggage.
Okay.
Ooh.
I have my own baggage to carry.
Nope, I'm putting it aside.
I need to release my own. I can't pick up yours.
Yes, exactly.
Ooh, and what we're not doing in 2021 is holding grudges.
Yes. Let it go, ladies. Let it go.
Let it go, let it go.
When you're holding on to things, it's so many things that you cannot pick up. If you're holding on to grudges, you can't pick up love. You can't pick up friendships.
True.
So why hold on to it?
Let it go.
What I should not be doing in 2021 is picking up that extra cookie.
Ooh! Well, say it now.
You know I love a good cookie.
Time to let them rolls go. Bad eating habits. Bad people that you would love to go out with. That's how you gonna maintain it, to let them go.
Girl, I like the way you say that. To let them go.
I like it too.
Yo, so
Let them go.
Let them go.
what we not doing in 2021 is gossiping. Acting like with your friend in front of your face and going behind your back and talking smack.
Oh my God.
That's called something else. That's not
Backstab.
That's like
backstab her.
It's the backstabbers. They smiling in your face. All the time they wanna keep your place.
ooh.
What we not doing in 21 is being late on bills. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, and this year we're not taking our income tax
Well,
and putting it down on the car yet again.
because you bought one last year.
You got one last year and broke down. Save it, invest it, save it for next year. Let it accumulate.
Well,
Get you a
invest your money somewhere else.
Yes. Don't do it. Don't do it. I know it's tempting. Don't go get your nails done.
Yes.
Don't go get that $700 frontal.
Don't go get your nails.
Yes. Don't get that $700 phone. Now, I love that one. Because everybody feels like they have to have a new iPhone and another one's coming on now.
upgrade. Yeah,
I
they do
gotta
every year. You gotta upgrade. I've still got it.
No, I got to upgrade. Why does your camera look different from mine?
Cause girl, this is old. This is what, a year old.
This
This is not the latest. This is a bit before.
This is the 11.
This is the 11. This is the max.
Oh, okay, I don't have the max. Okay.
Cause I have to have a big phone. You know, once I have a little bitty phone, it's just like, ugh.
I need the max.
What we will not be doing in 2021 is getting in the men's DMs.
Did she say that? She did.
She did.
She did.
How do you know the communications that be inappropriate? That's what we talking about. We talking about that, huh?
Being
Talking about
thirsty,
that.
throwing yourself out
Ooh,
there.
somebody just shivered on that one. Ooh, I felt that thing. Somebody said, ooh.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Cause whatever done in the dark, it will come to the light.
It will come to the light.
Sure will.
Oh yes. Oh, for the men too. Don't let them slide in your DMs.
Man, what you not doing?
What you not gonna do is sliding in my DM.
Stay out my inbox. Look, no.
Ooh.
Tell them, stay out my inbox.
The only thing I receive out of box is my P.O. box.
But yeah, get my attention in the light. Don't get my attention in the dark. Don't
Yes.
get my attention behind closed doors. Get in the light, honey.
And that even says a lot.
But I don't need your attention. I'm married. They do.
Oh, you know what? You know what we not doing? We not having these dark relationships.
Yeah.
No, honey.
No.
Dark relationships.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, they come visit you between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m.
Oh.
And don't nobody know y'all together. What we not gonna do is hide. We're not hiding.
And that says something about a woman or man's character too. If they feel like they can only communicate with you as devil hours, you know, my idiot would like to call it devil hours. That says something about their character.
Devil eggs.
And they may take you on a date or two, right, in the daytime, but be careful and do not be deceived.
I think I had said that one time. I don't know if I told somebody. I said, "Ooh, it's 12 o'clock. Got to go."
Yeah, like what you doing?
Cause 12 o'clock they can be happening.
Ooh,
Got to go.
cause ain't nothing open after a certain time.
What we not doing in 2021 is sacrificing our salvation.
Oh, girl, air high five. Oh. Yes, that's good. Ooh, how can? Ooh, that's compromise. Ooh, we're not bending backwards. I can't even bend backwards.
Let me tell you, baby.
Oh, that was a great one. How do you compromise? Like, is it that you lower your godly standards? I feel like I should say that.
Wanting to be accepted.
Girl, we got to have a whole discussion about this. Accepted by who?
Others and another man.
And my last what we not gonna do is we not gonna be hypocrites. in 2021.
Well,
That goes along with compromising.
yeah.
We're not going to sing for Jesus Christ of Nazareth and preach his word and sleep with the members of the body of Christ. We're not doing that, ladies.
She said it.
Fellas, we're not doing that anymore.
It's a new season, man. Don't do what you did last year. Don't do what you did in 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, you know, all the way down. Because where has it gotten you? Has bending gotten you anywhere? I'm just saying, you know, I'm just saying. Has it caused you to advance? Let's think about that. Let's think about that.
That's good.
Bam.
Living up to the standard as to what you're called to, and not deviating or moving from your calling, or stepping out of position, or contaminating your gifting, contaminating your calling. And I feel like so many contaminate their spirit because they feel like that God would use them anyway. And yes, God may have used you, but at the same time, you have not increased in your giftings. You have not increased. You know what I mean? So contaminating is risking yourself in the midst of it.
That's like flinging mud. Like, ugh. Why fling it?
I think sometimes we be concerned about the flower, the plant.
Ooh.
We don't be concerned about the root and the soil.
The growth.
Ooh,
I
wait. You better say that again.
Yeah, we're nipping and we're tucking and we're cleaning up the flower and the plant, but we're not concerned with the soil and the root. We're not concerned with what we're rooted in. We're not concerned with the soil, how it's enriched. What is it enriched with?
Yes.
So in 2021,
2021.
we go start working on our soils and our roots.
Get some miracle, girl. Can't explain it. I can't obtain it. Jesus, your love is so amazing. Lifts me high up to the sky. And when I think about your goodness, it makes me wanna stop.
Come on, let me hit us with the last one.
Last 2021 affirmation. 2021, I will not be self-sabotaging myself.
That's good.
And that is what is it, subconscious or unconscious? Self-sabotaging, meaning you know the cycle, you've been there before, but you keep getting the same result. That is self-sabotaging. So I guess that's generalizing pretty much that.
That's good.
Yeah, totally.
What is it that you are letting go of, or have let go of,
Or you're gonna you're gonna do cold turkey.
Yeah.
Cold turkey. Stop smoking cigarettes. Cold turkey.
Yeah.
So drop it in the comment below. And don't forget to like, comment, and what, Dolores? Subscribe! We love you. Thank you so much for the love, you all. Bam.